In the previous video, we have created our answer garden. We have just clicked on the create button and this window will appear. So you can see that you have given this question, are you enjoying this course? Give your feedback. Now 40 characters are allowed, that is 40 characters are remaining. So I can write yes, it's a wonderful course. So once I have entered this answer and have submitted it, this will come like this. So this is the first answer which I get from this feedback. You can write happy. So it will be like this. Awesome. Amazing. Enjoyable. Mesmerizing. Loving it. Superb. Extraordinary. So in this way, you can have feedback from your participants through live class, or you can share this and have this kind of responses from them. So this is just an easy assignment, easy tool where you can have live responses from your students, or you can share this and have a look about the lessons which you have given them. Now, how you can share it or export it. Here are few of the options available. Now, if I want to share it, you have to click here. The available options of sharing are: you can share this answer garden on various social networks using following buttons. You can have Facebook, Twitter. The other options which are available are, they have given Mixit and other options which are available in a huge variety. And what if I just want to share the link with my students? You can just copy it and you can paste it on a new tab. You will get this as a board. So this is one response, this is one response, and let us suppose if I enter again happy. Now if I go here, it means I have got this response twice. Fine. If I write awesome and I'll submit it, I'll got these two responses twice and these are one time. So in this way, the responses which I'm getting more than one number are highlighted, otherwise other are taken in the small text. So in this way you can share. The next option is the export option. If I select here, you can directly export it to the Twitter or to the Wordle on the TechZedo. You can download it as a image file. If I want to download this and keep it in as a memory with myself, you can have it in the form of image. So the image is downloaded. So it takes 2 minutes for getting download this image. See, so this is your image response. And the other ways of having the export options are, these are the following things. The next is the QR. If you want to have a QR code, you can have it like this. So you can have a QR and you can share with your students, so they can easily scan it and use it. And these are the following options which are available in the answer garden. I just hope, okay, this is the local part. You can discover it on the local, that is 1 hour, 1 day or 1 week, or hidden. The moderate option is, if you want to have the moderator part, then you can have something like this and you can submit it. It will go to the moderator. It will find out whether you want to allow it or not, and in this way they can have all the options. If I select, okay, if I want to refresh it, see, I got the refresh part. So happy is 3 times, awesome is 2 times, and this is 1 time. So this is a very simple tool. You can see that there are some of the hidden answers and restore hidden answers. Here you can change the settings of for this. If you want to change the settings, you can have, see, if I choose the admin part, see, I'll get the following options to change the topic, to change the answer mode. I want to change it, you can have it with the admin options. And this is the local part, QR part, how you can export it and how you can share it. So in this way you can have this tool. So I'm going to share one of the answer garden with you all, and you have to answer that question. Stay tuned. Happy learning.